everyone, welcome back to Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I am your craft host Fam, coming to you today with a quick project share in addition to an update on the tea that I mentioned in the last video. So I will come back as often as I can to share with you my findings of the ones that I am sampling. So without further ado, let's see. The tea I'm drinking today is the Tazo Chai Classic, and this is the black tea with cardamom, black pepper, and spices, and cinnamon. Okay, so let me just take a sip so I can refresh my memory on what it tastes like. Alright, so let me just say this. Much like myself, this tea is spicy with an undertone of mellow. Okay, it is very soothing. I do taste, here I am sounding like a food critic, I do taste the cinnamon. There are spices that I cannot readily identify, but let's just say this, it will stay stocked in my pantry. Okay, so I do recommend this if you're into tea, if you like chai tea, or you want to give it a try. Start off with this brand. Chai tea obviously is something you can find at Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts. Everybody has their version of it, but this one is inexpensive. You can find it at the grocery stores. I believe you can get it at Walmart. I'm not quite sure, but go on Amazon if you really just want to get your hands on it real quickly without having to venture off into several different stores. So the Tazo Chai Classic Tea, five thumbs up, okay? And so moving right along to the project share. On one of my previous videos, probably 2 or 3 back, I shared with you some note cards that I had created for the staff at my church. Now I'm the director for the kids ministry, and so I oversee a staff of about of volunteers of anywhere from between 10 and 12 each Sunday. And so I really just want them to know how important they are to the ministry. You know, our kids are really special, and we want to make sure that we have people on our team that, 1, love the Lord, 2, love kids, and 3, are willing to serve. And so that's what the whole point of the cards was about, just letting them know that I appreciate you, you're shining, thanks for all you do, and keep doing it. So to go along with those cards, I created these wallet notepads. That is the name that Amber Lyriclover810 on YouTube has given them, and so I will drop a link below to her channel or to the video that I got this from. She used a little bit different, of course she used different paper, and I believe she had a scallop punch. I don't have a scallop punch. I use what I have. Okay, but the paper that I actually used, aside from this one, I used, believe it or not, 12 Days of Christmas by the Paper Studio, which I have left over from last year. I actually have quite a bit of that pad left, and we'll be using it again this year, in addition to whatever else I pick up. So the first one is the black and white, and these notepads were all made using, they were made to complement the cards that will be given to each volunteer. So this one has the band, and let me just show you really quickly how it is. It's very simple. It's made using the notepads from the Dollar Tree that come 5 to a pack, and on the back here I just stamped my little brand name, Lovelies. And so these are great for wallets, obviously. I mean, your purse, throw this in there like a wallet, and keep it closed and write and use as you see fit, or they can go on the desk. So here we just have the belly band. This is made using scrap paper, paper that the cardstock used on the cards that I made. This is a puffy holographic sticker that I got in a rack from one of my crafty friends. This one again is using the Paper Studios 12 Days of Christmas, and then this is actually a sticker I got from out of my planner sticker book from Walmart. I think that's it's like a faith line, and this is just black cardstock with the belly band and a sticker from a paper pack clearanced out at Walmart, again using that same paper. And then these stickers here, I just used my scissors for this. I don't have a die cut machine. There's quite a few supplies that are on my to-get list, so I don't have everything, but soon come, right? These stickers I actually picked up last year around Valentine's Day. The mason jars with the hearts and love on them. They come in a different variety of sizes and shapes. And then last, and this one is similar to this. Both of these puffy shiny stickers came from the same paper pack kit from Walmart. And then I used the same punch that I used for the cards, I used on the paper, just to keep it kind of consistent in theme. And then this last one, again using that paper punch. This is paper from like one of the last sheets that I have from a paper pad that I picked up from Walmart last year, and then planner stickers from I can't remember the name of that sticker book that I got from Walmart. Now I will insert these in some acrylic bags, and believe it or not, when you buy sticker sheets or when you buy stickers, they come in these acrylic clear bags. I don't throw them away because they're still usable, and so what I'll end up doing is just either cutting them down in some form of fashion, but these will go in here. They fit, most of them. I have quite a few of them, and so I really try to minimize my spending and maximize my stash in terms of gift giving, product making, and whatever else. So go ahead, and I'm going to drop a link below to Amber's video or channel, and go ahead and give her some love over there. If you like this video, I hope it inspired you to create something for someone out of gratitude, just to let them know that you appreciate all that they do. And again, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified of future project shares, hauls, or tea updates. Yes, tea updates. And until we're back here again together on YouTube, be encouraged, blessed, stay creative and crafty.